Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 15R, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold the power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring up your boot options. And here, swipe down right here to turn off your device. And when your phone turns off, we're gonna hold power button, and I believe it's also volume up again. So let's try this out. Could be wrong about this, but we'll see in a second. I am gonna let go of the power button once the logo shows up. And looks like I was wrong. It's booting up normally, so it's actually volume down. So let's try to do this quickly. I'm also going to pop out the SIM card so I don't need to confirm the PIN anymore. There we go. So try it again. Turn off. And power button, volume down. And again, once the logo shows up, let go of the power button. There we go. So here we have our language selection. I am gonna brighten up the image so you can see other options in here, but unfortunately the white background will become overblown. Nothing I can do about it, as I cannot control the brightness of the display right here. So anyway, let's just do that. There we go. You can see there's more options now. Hopefully that's visible to you. So I am interested in English, which is right here. So that's what I'm gonna click on. And there is our recovery mode. Now in here we have three options. Format data, which consists of just factory resetting the device, and it's protected by a 4-digit code that just shows up right here, and all you need to do is just type it on the keypad. Now this code is different every time you click on this. As you can see, it keeps on changing, and it's completely separate from your screen lock. This has nothing to do with the screen lock, and throughout resetting the device, if you have a screen lock, it never affects actual reset. Now, next option, we have reboot device, which just brings us back to Android, and power off. It turns off the device. And those are all the options we have in here. So I am going to select a reboot device, confirm it at the bottom, and this will bring me back to Android like I mentioned. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.